Now then, Douglas Master reporting for the Zero Waste Dancing School. Today we're maximising our wild resources with these beautiful verdant Alexander leaves and stems which we foraged in our previous video. We are upcycling this wild joy into a potato and mustard broth. Enough of the dancing, you're welcome. I'm terrified of dancing. It's honestly like my greatest fear, other than sharks. We're going to slice our onions, cook it on a medium heat until it's soft and caramelised. I cook a lot of things in pans in the oven because it's very consistent. But one of the golden rules is to add direct heat, i.e. fire, to the pan, bring it up to the right temperature and then pop it in. Usually for sweating vegetables around 120 to 140 degrees, for braising about the same. While we're waiting for our onions to sweat, we are going to dice our Alexander stems. We are going to mince our garlic so it's ready. This is just going to be popped in at the very end for about a minute of cooking. As you can see, the steam coming from the side of the pot. Lid on and then pop it in the oven. Now all we're going to do is bring our vegetable stock in the same pan to a simmer. As that's occurring, we're going to chop our potatoes. This has been cooking for approximately 45 minutes. The lid has been on. There's a little wee leak of steam coming out. Make sure that when you're at this stage, your potatoes are cooked. We're going to pop our garlic and our Alexander stems in. So this is approximately 2 minutes of simmering time. Now stems and garlic have had 2 of the minutes, and now we're going to add the leaves. Just give those Alexander tops 30 seconds. Finish with fiery English mustard and the pre-weighed salt. Give it a little mix. We are ready. This looks amazing. Take your bowl, turn off the fire. Don't have a ladle still. Give it a taste. Realise how delicious this creation is. Finish with amazing oil. Woo! That mustard. It's assaulting my nostrils. Like a dance in a meadow. Yeah, this is so robust. It's so warm, hot, fiery, earthy. Like it's a tiny bit of like medicinal, tiny bit of bitterness in a really good way. Yeah, that is the end of this very steamy, groovy transmission.